In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for YouTube like thumbnails. 2026 full guide. We'll walk through creating eye-catching visuals right inside the chat. From your very first idea to polished exports you can drop straight into your video project. First, decide how you want to generate your thumbnail. You can start from scratch by simply describing the image you want, or you can edit an existing photo. If you're editing, tap the plus sign to upload a reference from your device, or use the camera icon to snap something new. A reference image is great when you already have a pose, product shot, or background you love and just want to refine the style, colors, or mood. Next, let's craft a prompt that delivers strong thumbnail results. Begin with the subject, the clear central focus that will read well at small sizes, like a person's face, a product, or a bold object. Add details and style to define the look, such as modern, glossy, comic book, or realistic. Then set the mood and lighting. Words like cinematic, warm, and cozy, high contrast, or dramatic neon can dial in the vibe quickly. If you have aesthetic references, mention them. Describe the era, palette, or visual influence you want to emulate or avoid. You can also note practical needs for thumbnails like strong contrast, clean background, and room for text on the left or right. A sample prompt might sound like close-up of an excited creator pointing at a laptop, bold cinematic lighting, clean teal background, modern glossy style, high contrast, space on the right for headline, avoid clutter. When the image loads, tap it to view full screen. This is where you can judge how it reads at a glance. Check facial clarity, edge definition, and how it might look when scaled down. If it looks good, use the on-screen options to save to your camera roll or share it directly via your preferred apps. For precise refinements, stay in full screen and use the select tool to highlight the exact area you want to change, like a wall, shirt, or background. After selecting, describe the change clearly. For example, change the wall color to soft beige or replace the background with a clean gradient. If you have several tweaks, list them with numbers so the model handles each one cleanly in order. To keep a consistent look across multiple thumbnails, reuse a generated image as a reference in the same conversation and ask to match its style, lighting, and color palette. And that is all for today. Mastering image generation allows you to bring your technical or creative projects to life with just a few prompts. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.